If you currently have a factory add-on remote start like the ones that we use, typically most of ours are made by Fortin and they're compatible with other Fortin expandable options, which I've shown in the past, like the smartphone app. But a lot of people like the two-way LED remote controls like this one. This one here is a 6,000 foot range remote control, if you can believe that. I mean, a mile is 5,240. That's a lot of feet. This one here is 6,000. So this is like 1.1 mile, believe it or not, with this tiny little two-way LED remote control. They come in a 4-button remote like you see right here. Look at how skinny that thing is. That's so sweet. This one comes also in a 1-button remote control, which is half the size, and that would be the RFK912. This one here I'm showing you is a 942. So what makes this thing different is with the older antennas, which I've shown you previously, it has that stubby antenna. This one here is not the same. This one is an LoRa technology 1 mile range antenna, and it's not compatible with the O1. This cable is still the same. It's still a 4-pin like you can see here, which clips into the remote starts directly. And if you bought one from us that's pre-wired, that's a plug-and-play solution, these things plug in directly, and our systems are already flashed with the firmware to be compatible with these kits. So right out of the box from here going forward, this is the one that we're using. Not the Crime Stopper or Cool Start, we're going to this platform. So that goes for this system, for the two-way LED remote controls, the one-way remote controls, anything that's Fortin branded, as well as the linkr LT2, which is a smartphone. And you could also put both kits together to any one of these systems, whether it's the evo-one, which is the alarm remote start high current / low current, the evo-all, which is the mini solution, which is pretty much 90% of our business, which is the slave remote start that works off the factory transmitter by 3-lock activation or lock-unlock lock. And you can benefit by using the upgradable two-way or one-way RF kit solutions. In this case, this is the two-way. So this will tell you with an LED if the car is actually confirmed running on the LED two-way remote by the flash pattern that it gives to you. And on there, even though it's 4 buttons, it does lock, panic, unlock, start, trunk, and start, and it also provides an auxiliary channel. So all that can be done just with this one simple, easy-to-use remote control. It plugs in so easily as well. So you have the 4-pin black, which plugs into antenna side here, color to color. The 4-pin blue with the clip will go like this with the newer style Fortin T harnesses that have the pre-wired and pre-plumbed female terminal, with male just go in there like that. If you have an older Evo and it doesn't use this type of harness, you can use this, which is another part we have on our site, which is this RF802A, which will take one mini male side power data plug and convert it into 2. So you have one here, which will go to your remote start for its power, and then this one for your antenna, and it's all pre-wired just like that. So it's easy to use, unplug, program, so when you're going through the learning cycle, it all's nice and neat, keeps all the wiring nice and tidy. But this will be required to purchase this kit actually either way. Whether you're doing a two-way splitter with linkr and an RF kit, because you want both, you're going to need one of these. If you're not doing that, then you're not going to require that. But keep in mind that if you have one of the newer harnesses and it has the blank female blue plug, you won't have to get this adapter. Not needed. But if you have an older one and this is not there, then you're going to be a candidate to want to buy this RF802A, because you're going to need that to split. That's important. And that's pretty much the whole thing. And this kit comes in this nice, like I said, nice little 4-button kit, or you can get the small miniaturized 1-button remote control, which does lock, unlock, start, two-way, 6,000 foot range, confirming remote start, which is awesome. And that's going to probably be a sweet killer seller. I'm sure no problem with that thing is going to be a terrific seller. The multicolored LEDs, Echo Connect, battery life technology built right in there, metallic insert, rubberized membrane, hard and slim resistant body, so they're strong, they're durable, they're water resistant. The LED indicator is on there as well as on the antenna. I know it's hard to see there, but on the tip there's a little antenna LED. So it'll actually give you some confirmation while the system is in lock position. If you have alarm setting turned on your Evo system, it'll show visually on the antenna, which is excellent. I mean, who wouldn't want that feature? There's a lot of stuff. This just seems to be like the most logical direction to go in with the new technology that Fortin has with their remote start kits. This just seems like a natural progression of a step that we should be using to add extended range for those people who aren't satisfied with what they're getting from their factory transmitter, because some of the things are okay, they work decent, but not in all situations. But you don't want to be tied into a smartphone plan. This option right here is for you. You buy it once and you own it for life. It comes with 2 transmitters. You have your one, you have your backup, and that comes with this system or the one buttons as well. This is the RFK942, and we also have the 912. You could choose which one works best for you. Nothing changes with your factory. That stays the same, and you can do it this way and that way. If you don't have one remote and you have the other, you could always have one way to do it. It's a great system, and it's a sweet, exciting new option that we're offering. All our kits, like I said, from this day going forward, are all going to be programmed for this. So if you buy one, a remote start from us, and you don't have the money to invest in upgrading it to the extended range remote, it's okay. You can have it, enjoy it, come back, purchase this, take it home, plug it in, quickly pair it to your vehicle, and you get it later. Either way, you still win.